I fell and lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost and I said to the voices in my head, I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up
So my camera died when I was filming myself blow drying my hair. So I've actually had to charge my battery, and it sucks because I was planning on bringing you guys with me to Target because I wanted to get some stuff for fall. I am going to be doing a fall fashion video where I put together like a bunch of fall outfits. I'm really excited for that. I was just so upset because Target is redoing like the whole inside at my Target, and they didn't have any jewelry or purses out. So I didn't get any of that stuff, which I wanted to because I heard they have really cute jewelry out, and they usually have really cute bags that are pretty affordable. So I did actually get like quite a few clothing pieces. They have this new brand there, I think it's new, and it's called, I can't remember the name, but I'm really excited to show you guys everything I got. I also went to TJ Maxx the other day, and I got a ton of stuff from TJ Maxx as well for fall. So I'm going to be doing a complete kind of like fall inspired outfit videos. I'm going to try to do like jewelry pieces and shoes as well. I'm really excited for that. I love fall clothes. I think they're so like trendy. I am so out of breath today. I don't know what it is. So it is about 1 o'clock right now. I do have to film a couple videos today because it's my day off, and this is the day I usually film for my channel. So I have to film a couple videos. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I still have to do my Fashion Nova dresses video, and I am gonna work on this fall inspired video. So my air conditioning just turned on. I'm really sorry. Today is super hot. It was actually cooling down, and right now it's like 80 degrees out and it's hot again. So there's that. So I did run a couple errands today, and I did want to bring you guys. I had to go to the bank, I had to get gas, and then I went to Target. I'm sad that I couldn't bring you guys because I really wanted to bring my camera, but my battery was dead, so I had to let it charge. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I'm definitely gonna film for my channel, and then I might go to the gym. I probably should. So maybe I'll bring my camera, maybe I'll just use my iPhone and film my leg workout. I have not decided. I also usually like to meal prep today because it's Monday and I like to have food with me for the week. So I might film that as well. So I shall see you guys in my next clip. So I'm currently filming my Fashion Nova dress try-on haul, and I'm dying. It is so hot in this room. There's no air conditioning. I have sweat all over my face. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I'm dying recording. Blaze, what are you doing? This is what it looks like when you film a try-on haul. I'm in my parents' room because this is where I film all my try-on hauls because they have this white wall here. So it works out for me, but this is the aftermath. What are you doing? So please excuse my room, but this is my little gym outfit that I'm wearing. So the leggings are just the Gymshark. These are the Gymshark Peach ombre seamless. And then the sports bra is from Forever 21. The back of it is really cute. It just kind of crisscrosses there. So yeah, this is my little outfit.
I fell and lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost and I said to the voices in my head, I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get look into my eyes, my heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on.
So I actually just got back from the grocery store. I just got some stuff to meal prep with. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys my little grocery haul. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. I got some fresh ground turkey. I got these little veggie, they're called vegetable pasta, and it's so good. So I love these sometimes for dinner. And then I did get these steam fresh vegetables that I mix with rice with my ground turkey. And then I got some white peaches and some grapes.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look upon your face. My heart is empty and unguided. I'm blind leading chase. Thought I had a plan with you and me. Was it villain of my own dream, breaking me down to my knees? I look right at the mirror, wondering if I'll be okay. My head is telling me nothing, it's got nothing left to say. And I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look upon your face. My heart is empty and unguided. I'm blind leading chase. Thought I had a plan with you and me. Was the villain of my own dream, breaking me down to my knees.
It's okay to have a cookie or 10. Hey, what are you doing in there? There's nothing good in there for you. He loves cabinets. See? Oh. Do you want me to pay you? Sweet boy. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly touch base on my meal prep that I was just showing you guys. So I mainly just meal prep for lunch. I don't usually meal prep for dinner time, which I know is kind of weird, but I just struggle with lunch. I feel like it's really easy to kind of eat something really bad, like a grinder or something like really full of carbs. So I like to have meals cooked for my lunch because it's easier for me when I'm at work. If I don't bring anything for lunch, then I'll end up eating really crappy and just snacking way too much throughout the day. So I find that eating like a healthy lunch really just balances me out. For breakfast, I usually have eggs, and for dinner, I just kind of eat whatever my mom makes, and she doesn't cook anything like too bad. So dinner changes a lot with me, but I like to keep my lunch pretty much the same, especially because at work I don't like to be really lethargic. Like, I don't like to feel really full at work. So I find that this meal prep for me works really well. So obviously, if you guys watched what I was making, all it is ground turkey, rice, and vegetables. You can kind of switch out what you want. If you want to do ground chicken, if you want to do brown rice instead of white rice, whatever you want. It's really simple to make, and I've been making it for months now. So I did cook 2 packs of ground turkey because I wanted to have some for dinner tonight, and I like to fill my meals with mostly ground turkey so that I don't eat as much rice. Usually 2 packages will make me 4 lunches and a dinner for like the night I'm making it. Like Monday night when I meal prep, I usually will just eat what I make for dinner, and I always make way too much rice. I made 3 cups of rice and I had so much left over because I don't know, I just look at rice and I feel like 3 cups isn't a lot, and then when I make it, it seems like way more than 3 cups. Obviously because the rice expands, but I always over make rice. So I feel like you'd be fine with even 2 cups of rice, to be honest. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to start editing it right now and hopefully have it up before Thursday. Right now it's Monday. Maybe if I edit it now, I can have it up Wednesday. I'm gonna shoot for Wednesday. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!